Hey guys, just wanted to show you how to make copies on HP NV6000 series printer without your phone. So you're going to put a copy in here, the original into here. The top goes over here, face down, and to that corner over here where the arrow is. We're going to close it. As soon as you open this, and if your printer is turned on, this should light up. So as soon as you open the top cover, this is going to light up, and then over here we have the color copy selection, and this is the black and white. And if we need to do, for example, 6 copies, so we're just going to do a color, 6 copies of whatever we have in there. Let's just do 3 so we don't waste that much paper. So we're just going to select 3, and then I just press cancel to not push the job through. We're just going to select 1 and it'll start printing. And here's the copy of our original document. I made a copy of the test page that I printed on the other video. So it's very simple. If you just want to do black and white copy, you're going to select the one on the right. And how you would know this one is just one color right here, is just lit up. This one is changing color, so you know that this is the color copy button. So we're just gonna, for example, do five copies black and white of the original document that we have in there. This is how it's done. Hopefully this was helpful for you. It's very simple, but sometimes missed because of the newer setup of the printer. So hopefully you enjoy it and have a wonderful day. Please like this video, share with others, and subscribe to our channel. I'm just going to cancel that. Alright, thank you guys for watching.